Assalamu alaikum, ahlan wa sahlan wa marhaban bikum. Viewers, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to use Zanika Tanika in Arabic language. Istimalu Zanika Tanika. Zanika, it is used for dual masculine. Wa Tanika, it is used for dual feminine. Let's start. Zanika waladani, those are two boys. Tanika bintani, those are two girls. This is female word. Zanika talibani, those are two students. Tanika talibatan, those are two female students. Zanika tabiban, those are two doctors. Tanika mumarridatan, those are two nurses. Zanika baban, those are two doors. This is male sentence dual. Tanika sa'atan, those are two watches. Zanika jidaran, those are two walls. Tanika tawilatan, those are two tables. Zanika la'iban, those are two players. Those are two players. Tanika saburatan, Tanika saburatan, those are two boards. Zanika sadiqan, Zanika sadiqan, those are two friends, male friends. Tanika jamilatan, those are two female friends. Zanika fallahan, Zanika fallahan, those are two farmers. Tanika muhandisatan, those are two female engineers. Zanika manzilan, those are two homes. Tanika shaqqatan, those are two apartments. If you like this video, please like, share, comment and subscribe my channel. Keep learning and practicing more and more. Thanks for watching. Ma'assalama. Ila liqa.